Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the Balloon Forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the train. Here we go, give it a little twirl first so you can see. Alright. So here's our train, and off we go with exploding it. Wish me luck. Right, so get your Balloon 260, and you need about 5 fingers uninflated. Alright, we need a 8-finger bubble, or 8-finger bubble, and then a 2-finger pinch twist. There we go, twist these two together. Twist this one around this one. Oh, in case I forget, if you could hit the like or subscribe button, or tell a few friends, it would be appreciated. So twist this one around this one. Right, then we need a 4-finger bubble and another 2-finger bubble. We're going to pinch twist. This one goes to here. Just gently pull it away and just turn that around a few times. Then we need another 8-finger bubble. Oh, squeeze it in a little bit softer. 8-finger bubble. Another 2-finger, and yes, we're going to pinch twist this one. This one goes to here. I'm going to do it once more. We need a 4-finger bubble, 2-finger bubble. We're going to pinch twist. The knot goes around that pinch twist there. Back it around a couple of times and underneath, and that. And then we need 2 4-finger bubbles, which are going to go over to this side here. We need a 4-finger bubble there. Measure it back, another 4-finger bubble, and then this one goes into that pinch twist. And then deflate this in your favourite method. And I've got my scissors, so we'll start off with the scissors. We might not end up with them, but we're going to start with them. There we go. Oh, look, I didn't snip that very much. Just wait for it. There we go. Try that up. That all scissors again, getting the excess. There we go. That's the start of the train. Alright, now we're going to get the black 260. I'll scratch him in there because I was trying to remember. And, yeah, the black 260. We need 2 1.5-finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. There we go. So the knot goes around the second one. And then take the knot over the top. We need a 4-finger bubble for the chimney part of the train, and a 2-finger bubble which we're going to pinch twist. Alright, so this one again to this one. Now squeeze the air, 4-finger bubble, and a 1.5-finger pinch twist this time. Alright. Then another squeeze the air, another 4-finger bubble, back to the 2-finger pinch twist. And then we're going to need a 1.5-finger bubble, and this is going to go around the front where you've got your I was going to say it's upside down V. Well, it's not upside down, it is a V shape, isn't it? So this goes round to one of the pinch twists. And now we're going to make 1 set of wheels. Right, and that's all you're going to need on this one. So I do 2-finger bubbles, and if you do 4 of them, hopefully you'll have 4 2-finger bubbles, so it'll end up not pulling this tight. It'll work out. So squeeze the air, and then you've got a 2-finger bubble, twist it around a few times because you make sure you don't want it to come untwisted. 3, and there's 4. Right, so there you go, your 4 2-finger bubbles, and then that will go around there. Right. Now before I deflate that, I always wrap the next 260 black. Again, there's 6 fingers uninflated. I'm not sure if I said on the other one it was 6 fingers uninflated, so anyway, I've said it now, just in case I forgot earlier. So this goes around here, right, and then I deflate this section and then tie it up. There you go, look at that, see, scissors are good. Up. Now then, keep it all nice and tidy. Right, then we're going to come up the 4-finger bubble at the back, over to the other side. And then we need wheels on this side. So easy out. We want 4 2-finger bubbles. Right. That's number 3. Get them about the same size if you can. Yeah. Right, and then that goes down this pinch twist here. And you want another 1.5-finger bubble that you have on this side to attach here. Squeeze here, 1.5-finger bubble there. And then you want another 4-finger bubble back to this pinch twist here. Alright, and that's all you need on the black. Alright. 4-finger bubble, that will go around there. Right. But you want to keep this, I've got to use my teeth, sorry about that. Oh, there you go. You do want to keep that because that will come in handy in a second, alright? And we'll tie this up. And then I always like to leave a long enough bit of slack. I'll bring that round to the front 2-finger pinch twist to tighten the ring and secure it. Right. Turn it around so that you have 2 4-finger bubbles at the top and the one underneath sits in the centre of the train like this. So that's just going to sit like this. Right. That's that. Right, you're now going to need your red 160. And red 160, I've left about 5 fingers uninflated. Right. So we'll start off at the back, wrap around a couple of times. You then need a squeeze here, make it a little bit softer. You need a 4-finger bubble and a 1.5-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. Right. And that pinch twist goes around the second, between the second and third wheels, alright, the joint. So just that around. Right, so it's like this, and you need a squeeze the air, and you need another 4-finger bubble which goes to the first pinch, this 2-finger pinch twist at the front. Right. You then do a 4-finger bubble over the top to this side. Right, squeeze the air. That then makes this front V section go down, so now that will help the train all sit nicely in a minute. You now squeeze the air again, another 4-finger bubble, and another 1.5-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. And that goes on this side between the second and third bubbles. Yeah. Squeeze the air, 4-finger bubble to the back pinch twist, and then I always take the red right back to the beginning as well with another 4-finger bubble. Yeah. And deflate that in your favourite method. Oh, I'm going to try and use the scissors again. Down. Right. And we're going to put I was going to say cockpit, but it's not. It's not the cockpit, is it? It's the cab, isn't it? The cab. This section here we're putting on now. Right. So hopefully it's all going to sit nicely, and in a second it will sit and straighten itself up. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So you now need your 160, and I've left 4 fingers uninflated. Alright. This goes on one of the back pinch twists. And then you need a 4-finger bubble. 4-finger bubble. And you need another 4-finger bubble. And you need a 2-finger bubble. Now the 2-finger bubble, you think, oh, that does look quite small, doesn't it? Alright, so this, so you've got 2 4s and 1 2. And this joint goes around this pinch twist on the black. Alright, that around. And then you need another 2-finger bubble. So squeeze the air along a bit. And I'm just going to see if I said leave 4 fingers, I said leave more, I don't know, we'll find out in a second. So you want another 2-finger bubble. Right, then you want a 4-finger bubble. Right. And this 4-finger bubble is going to go around where it's the 4 and the 2 on the other side. Alright, so you get this, wrap that through there. This is going to be the top section. So wrap that over. And then you do another 4-finger bubble. Alright. And this 4-finger, the twist here, is going to go into this joint over here. Alright. So you have to push that through. It's a little bit tight. And then just to make sure it doesn't come undone, I'll wrap it through once more. Oh, got the chimney caught up. Right, there we go. Then we need another 4-finger bubble. And then another 4-finger bubble. Alright, and the second 4-finger bubble goes to this back where it's 2 4-finger bubbles over the first 2 you twisted in. That's going to be the back section of the top of the cap. Alright, end up like this, and now you want another 4-finger bubble back to this joint here. Alright, another 4-finger bubble there. Go through there, and again I always go through once more just to make sure it's tight and secure. You now need another 4-finger bubble, and that's going to go on to the other side, the pinch twist at the back. Right. And now we're going to do the curved section. Let's get it up and show you. We're going to do this curved bit here, and for me it's a 6-finger bubble. Alright, so I'll squeeze the air along. Alright, where I said you needed 4, or was it 5? You might want to put an extra, leave an extra finger uninflated. So I'll do a 6-finger bubble. Alright, and this 6-finger bubble then is going to go around this pinch twist there. Put that around. Wrap it through and under. Until it's nice and secure. And then I'll do a 6-finger bubble. Back to the other side. There we go. And that goes onto this pinch twist at the back here. And deflate that in your favourite method. Hang on, I'm squeezing the air. Oh, I think I've just about got enough there to cut that and deflate it. Right. Try and do that. We don't want to come undone now, do we? Because we're going so well. Right. Now then, our train, this bit is sticking up because we're going to tie this pinch twist to the pinch twist on the black and then back to this side as well in a second. Alright, straightening that a bit. There we go, and that's to there. Alright, so what you do, you get that uninflated bit, the black, alright, and tie it round around the wheel and the pinch twist, goes underneath the 260 glue. Right. Now pull it tight. You then go over the pinch twist, but bring the train down so it looks like it's sitting in the correct position. Right. And then this uninflated goes underneath the blue again, underneath, and it goes onto this pinch twist here. Right. There we go. Wrap that around a couple of times, and back on itself. There we go. Sometimes you just have to do a bit of adjustment. A gentle bit of adjustment. There we go. That's not looking too bad, is it? You know, don't forget I'm under pressure with the camera. Right. There we go. Looking not quite pleased with that actually. And that, but you've got this nice curve bit. I think is what makes it. And now you've got to add the smoke. So the smoke, I fully inflate a 160, and then I tie 2 knots at the end. So I just tie a knot in the balloon here. There we go. So we have one there, and then we have another knot here. Push that through. There we go. And you can push that back a little bit. Just depends how much you want. Like that. And then I just probably have a 2-finger bubble for the second knot. And that gives you your the smoke. So this goes down the 2 pinch twists there. Get it around a couple of times. Deflate this in your favourite method. Look at that. Scissors again. Right, put that down. And here's our train. Let's just fly that up. Make it nice and tidy. And just adjust the smoke to, there you go. That looks like it's coming out the train. You can, so there's our train, and we'll give it a little twirl for you. Alright, and this is the one we made earlier. The smoke looks a little bit lower on this one, doesn't it? So, you know, they're all slightly different, aren't they? So at least you get the, in fact I think this smoke's a little bit too high, isn't it? But I'm sure we'll be okay. Alright, so thanks for watching, and we might see you again on another edition of BalloonTube. Alright, so it's bye from me, cheerio!